And you just press and hold the button. So there we go. We heard a little click. So guys, real user experience. We had a problem. It was not blowing any smoke. Well, here's the thing. Make sure this line is getting water through it. So it can get pinched down inside the tank. So lift it up enough. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this smoke machine. So you guys can get something like this, some liquid to use with it. There's different kinds of liquid, so you guys can play around with it. But pretty simple. They give you instruction manual. So they give you your mounting brackets and everything you need. They also give you a remote control in here as well. So you can control it with a remote and all kinds of stuff. You can also mount on this handle or mount it on anywhere you want. So for us, we're just going to be doing it for our Halloween season. So you guys right here, you can see that's for the wireless. This is for your power plug. This is to turn it on and off. This, you can see your level of liquid inside here. And of course, pause this to read some safety features. You go ahead, thread this off, put in your fluid right inside here. So fill that baby up with fluid. Once you do that, then you go ahead and close it off. On the other side here, you can see the lights and the fog end 1200 watt kit. Overall, pretty nice. So guys, we used a small little container like this. This is 1 quart, and it filled it up right to the full level. So 1 quart filled it to the full level. So keep that in mind. Don't overfill it. We're gonna go ahead, show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, once you have it plugged in and turned on, you're gonna wait about 3 minutes, give or take, for it to heat up. And then you're gonna keep pressing the remote control to spray. So R. Alright, so we gotta wait till it heats up a little more. So they say that this will get hot. So it says don't touch it with your hands. They give you this little carrying handle here. So we're just waiting until it heats up fully. Alright, so it's still heating up. That's why it didn't put any smoke out. So we'll keep waiting. That you see when you press the button that water's going through. So now let's test it out. There we go. What? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh my goodness. So that was the problem. Woo! Guys. Oh my word. So this is normal, by the way. It's said in the manual. What? Whoa. Whoa! So yeah, in the manual it says it will release some. That's normal. So yeah, that was our problem. This was pinched at the bottom. Just lift it up enough. Whew! That is crazy. Holy cow! Look at this, guys. Whoa! That's insane. That is crazy. I would say it works pretty well. So guys, wherever you are doing this. We opened some windows here, but yeah, recommended for a big area or outside. As you guys can see, I mean, unless you're doing like some haunted thing inside, this is amazing. Like, this performs amazing. So, by the way, if you use it and it stops, there's I think like a 20-second wait period that you gotta wait for it to, well, I'm not quite sure, but we'll just wait for that. But yeah, pretty awesome, guys. That is insane. Like, the fact that, I mean, that's insane, guys. Just insane.